Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix a failed card transfer on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So after knowing if your country actually has Revolut, what you will have to do is open your Revolut app or your website and then go ahead and log in with your credentials. Then, what you will have to do after logging into your account is go ahead and go to the payment section. And what you will do is locate failed transaction. And then you will tap retry and check the card details. Ensure sufficient balance and then confirm the payment. And after all that, the transaction completed and you will check the confirmation in app or website. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.